I'm Orrin.
Chaudier.
Chaudier is the last name.
But they're really not short. 1973 El Camino. But we really like that blue.
I love it. You guys did a beautiful job.
How did you hear about City Classic? Just driving by?
Driving by,
Yeah,
I kept watching and looking at the cars that were in here and those that moved out.
It's a self-advertisement when you drive by and you see all of them in the bays and stuff. Well, they gotta be doing something right, you know, because it's not the same cars always. So y'all really did, went over and above.
In fact, I'll recommend it to people.
12 years you've been working on this old car, huh? Yeah, we're gonna get you on home, and we thank y'all for allowing us to play a role in it, in this journey.
And y'all did an excellent job passing that on. So, and the things that you suggested worked well. I mean, like the tires, I like those better than some of them I've seen.
I inherited that automobile in '74, and I tried to baby it for several years. I set it up, let it sit for 5 years, I guess, then decided to take it and have it restored. And there it is, sitting out there now, restored. I love it. You guys did a beautiful job on that. Thank you guys. Y'all did a wonderful job.
We absolutely love your El Camino. It's gorgeous. We love you so much, and we're happy to finish it for you.
We hope to see many more coming in here. See the product going back out.
I think we can put both of us in there and our puppy, and we can boogie.